fish. Hell yeah. Boom. All right, well, we're out here at Tenkiller Lake, Oklahoma, ready for the tournament this weekend. Today's Tuesday. Tournament starts on Saturday. The lake is way up. Lots of bushes in the water, lots of targets. So we've caught a few fish. I caught a good one this morning, 19.5 inches. That's the right kind. Well, good morning. That's the way to start the morning. Yeah, 19.5 inches. Beautiful fish. Nice. Anyway, I just got broke off over here and thought, you know what, let's take a break, get this camera fired up, and hopefully we can catch some footage. Anyway, stick around. Thanks for watching. Let's go. Let's get them. That was a little bit of a surprise. Certainly not the right kind. It's amazing how far up the water is from the last time I was here, which was last year for the championship, Bassmaster Kayak Series championship that I qualified for. I didn't qualify for it this year, unfortunately. Better than the most recent few we've been catching. $16.25. Come on, buddy. You're right back there where I thought you should be. Decent fish. 17 inches for sure. Choked it. It's got a cull tag hole. Ooh. How big are you? Oh yeah, decent fish. It's kind of the right kind. 17. Got a 19.5. I got a 17. I got a 16.25. I got a 12 and a half actually, and a 14 and a half. Fish are chewing. I mean, the bite's not like crazy on fire. They're kind of like that fish. I'm like, there's got to be a fish back there. And sure enough. What I'd really like to figure out is if there's a type of bush or cover that they're relating to. I thought it was these green bushes for a little while, and then I thought, ooh, it's wood, because I was catching them at the base of stumps, but I'm not so sure. Oh, I got bit there. Pretty sure that was a bite. Got him. Look at this fish. That's awesome. Wow, that's a smallmouth. I gotta get a picture of that little guy. Should have been a fish there, and there was. I'm sure there's more, but not much of a fish. And actually, I'm surprised that it's a smallmouth over there. I would have thought it would have been a largie. Hooked just perfect through the nose. On a mag draft, I don't know what to call these. They're kind of a long-armed craw. I'll show it to you. I got it rigged up as a Neko rig. Anyway, that's what we're fishing with there. So the claws float up, and I'm using a VMC hook keeper on there. I've caught a couple of fish on that. That's a good bait. There we go, a little smallie. It won't measure, but nice. Crankbait fish. Ooh, that was a good one. Wow. Yeah, that was a good fish. I would love to get on a really good crankbait bite. Another crankbait fish. I want to measure. I'll call that 12. Yeah, it calls the 12, but not by a whole lot. 13 and a quarter. We don't, hopefully we don't need that fish on Saturday or Sunday. Tank. Good one. Smallmouth. Ha ha ha. All right, day 2 of pre-fishing. Hopefully we're not going to get any rain today because I'm not wearing my rain gear. I am going to bring it though, but I'm bringing my camera as well, and I don't want to jack that up. Anyway, day 2. Yesterday was pretty good. Didn't really find a big fish yesterday, but you know, we found a few. Definitely the fish are chewing, that's for sure. The lake is still rising. It's crazy how high this lake is right now. But anyway, let's get back at it. Stick around. Let's catch some. There you go. That'll make. Jesus, be careful. I wish I'd have had my start recording. Show them. Show them to the camera. There you go. He went sky high in the air. All right, it's day 3 of pre-fishing Lake Tenkiller. Yesterday was a bust for me. The bite completely changed. And yeah, I scored a 0. It's all right though. It was definitely a weather change yesterday. We got a system moving in today. Oh, there's an eagle over there flying. I wish I'd have brought my camera, but I didn't bring it today because we're forecast to get some rain. I'm thinking that's going to turn the bite on. And I've already seen some bass busting some shad over here. So that's, boy, it's pretty here. It's definitely not Arizona. Got a good group of guys at the house. Got myself, Mark Nienhouse, Scott Bradley, and Kyle Helms came down as well. So 4 of us in the house, pretty good house. It's not too far to get to all the ramps from the house. 35 minutes probably tops. That's not bad. Oh, missed it. He missed it. He missed it. All right. Come on, buddy. Oh, he missed it again. I'm not running a 360 drive this week because I didn't pull it up quick enough the other day, and it pushed a piece back out of place. So instead of trying to fix it myself here, I decided to just not use it and take it to the shop and ask them to fix it. They know what they're doing. I'd be guessing. There we go, fish on. Oh, wow. I'm gonna tell you, that was the right kind. I think that was the right kind. We'll see in the video. That was awesome. Tell you, we got a breeze blowing right against this bank. The weather's going to be completely different tournament days. Both days are going to be completely different than what we've got today. It's supposed to be sunshine and maybe some clouds moving in on Sunday, but fortunately tomorrow is going to clear up. So that'll at least give it a day for the fish to get used to the high pressure or whatever that's coming in. I don't know if that's long enough, because that can certainly put them in a funk. All right, let's move on from this spot. We know there's fish here, so let's roll. Oh yeah, fish on. Small one. Small one. Oh, there we go, you got him up. I mean, that fish was little.